Hello, people of the Philippines, and welcome sa Project Matulungan para Matuto. Sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin ang arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? A sequence in which any term is obtained by adding constant to the preceding term is called an arithmetic sequence. Ibig sabihin, ang arithmetic sequence ay mayroong common difference na kung saan ito ay idinadagdag sa preceding term to get the next term. Kung pag-uusapan ang arithmetic sequence, meron tayong formula na susundin upang makatulong mapabilis ang pagkuha ng nawawalang value. At ang formula na ito ay ang a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, na kung saan ang a sub 1, ito ang first term of the sequence, ang n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub n is the last term of the sequence, and d is the common difference. So, paano nga ba natin makukuha ang common difference? Ang common difference ay makukuha natin by subtracting the second term of the sequence minus the first term of the sequence. At doon natin makukuha ang value ng d o ang common difference. So, let us have our example number 1. Find the 18th term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 10, 17, 24. First thing to do is we have to identify the values na kailangan natin sa formula. We have the first term or the a sub 1. So based sa ating sequence na 3, 10, 17, 24, ang ating first term ay 3. Next is the value of the nth term. So since sa given natin, hinahanap natin ang 18th term, therefore, the value of our nth term is 18. Second is the value of the common difference or d. So katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang common difference can be obtained by subtracting the second term minus the first term. So ang ating second term ay 10. Minus the first term is 3. Therefore, ang ating common difference ay positive 7. Next value is the a sub n. Ang a sub n natin ay ang hinahanap natin sa ating given. Okay? Therefore, a sub n is unknown. Let us have our solution. Using the formula of the arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, we can easily find the value of the 18th term. So let us substitute the values in the equation. So our first term is 3 plus the nth term is 18 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is 7. So therefore, simplify the equation. 3 plus, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is 18 minus 1 is 17 times 7. Okay, so following the rule of the MDAS, we have to multiply first 17 times 7. And 17 times 7 is equal to 119. And now, let us add 3 and 19. So 3 plus 119 is equal to 122. Okay, so what is 122? 122, therefore, since the computed value of a sub n is equal to 122, what would be our conclusion? Our conclusion is, hence, the 18th term of the sequence is 122. Moving on to our second example. Determine the term which has the value negative 38 in the arithmetic sequence 7, 4, 1, negative 2. So una natin gagawin, we have to identify first the values na kailangan natin sa ating formula para malaman natin kung ano ang nawawala. So based on the sequence, our a sub 1 or the first term is 7. Our nth term is yun ang ating hinahanap. So nth term is missing. Then the common difference is obtained by subtracting the second term minus the first term, which is 4 minus 7 is equal to -3. And our a sub n is -38. Based on our values, gagamitin natin ito sa ating formula para makuha natin kung ano ang value ng n na kung saan ito ang hinahanap natin. So using the arithmetic sequence formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of the n minus 1 times d. We have to substitute the value. So a sub n is equal to -38 is equal to the first term, which is 7 plus n minus 1 times the common difference of -3. Okay, so -38 now is equal to 7. So apply natin ang distributive property na kung saan -3 times n is -3n. Then -1 multiplied by -3 is +3. This time, we have to combine like terms. Okay, so transpose on the other side. So positive 3n. From -3n, magiging positive 3n siya because we transpose on the other side is equal to positive 38 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, so next, we have 3n is equal to the sum of 38, 7, and 3 is equal to 48. Now, this time to remove the numerical coefficient of the variable n, we have to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so magiging 3n divided by 3 is equal to 48 divided by 3. Okay, therefore 3 divided by 3 is 1, which is n, is equal to 48 divided by 3 is 16. So the computed value of n is equal to 16. Therefore, our conclusion was -38 is the 16th term of the sequence 7, 4, 1, -2. For your assessment, try to answer if a sub 1 is equal to 5 and a sub 7 is equal to 17, find the common difference. And the second one, if the 16th term of an arithmetic sequence is 48 and the common difference is 3, find the first term.